everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. How are you doing, queens? How's it going? I am super excited to be back on the channel. And yes, sir, we got another Luvme Hair review. You excited? Let's go. But before we get into it, queens, please be sure to like, comment, and share the video. And of course, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, okay, and support your girl. We're kind of 7K, you know, making our way slowly to 10K. Thank you, queens, so much for your support. I truly appreciate you all, and definitely super humble and grateful to those of you who've been riding with me from day one. Okay, you guys have really been a great support to me in this community, and I'm super grateful. So yes, guys, if you haven't already, please join the family. Okay, let's go. Luvme Hair sent me this beautiful box. They sent me some selections because I joined their community on Facebook. They actually have a community on Facebook, which I was invited to. And then, you know, as a welcome gift, they asked me to select whatever wig I want, gave me some options, and I decided to go for this beauty right here. This is actually the 10-inch blonde highlights glueless Yaki Straight Bob with bangs. Okay, so this has bangs. It's Yaki, it's glueless, and it's got the blonde highlights. Okay, do we love? Are we excited? What do we think? And yeah, they gave me a few options of selections, and I thought, you know, let's get a bob, let's get a bang. Okay, she's a little cute Bobbiana. Okay, a little bang, you know. I mean, I thought let's do something different, so I'm super excited to try her on. Okay, and of course, you guys know they give the usual goodies, wig cap, combs, head brush, you know how it goes. So let's try her on, guys. Ooh, child. Okay, now, hold on. Let's just move this aside so I can see. Oh my word, this is so different. This is so different, but again, that's the beauty of wigs, right? We get to change up our looks, right? And just switch it up whenever we want. So let me grab their comb. But this is looking a little cute though. Hold on, y'all. She's looking a little cute. I have not had a Yaki wig in years. There was a time I remember when I was in school, Yaki was it, okay? Yaki. But yeah, it's been a minute. And I'm here for it. Okay, a little Bobbiana and a little Bayang. Hello, baby, hello. So queens, go follow me on TikTok. Your girl is on TikTok. And yeah, I have been, hold on. Is that kind of sideways? Did I get that right? Okay, is that better? No, hold on. Yeah, so go follow your girl on TikTok, you guys. I've been on TikTok, and I got a little TikTok shop thingy going. So yeah, so go follow me on there, and I'll follow you back. So you can drop your handle here if you'd like to. And hey, we can even follow each other in the comments if you'd like to, you know, support each other. But yeah, go check it out. Go check out my TikTok. But anyway, I got sent this beauty here from In Glam Glamour from Within. It's a company on TikTok. And this will be in my TikTok shop, as well as I have other things on there as well. So go support your girl and check it out. But yeah, so they sent this to me. I'm literally going to be giving this a try right here on camera. I haven't unboxed it. I haven't tried it on. So I'm going to be doing it with you queens right here. And then of course, I will be sharing it on TikTok as well. So you can go check it out there and go grab yours from the shopping cart. Okay. So this is a hair straightener. All right. First time, you know, getting something like this, but I'll put the details, either the description on the screen. Let's see what else is in the box. You know, combs, hair clips, and a comb. All right, so I'm excited. So let's try her out because I need to straighten this wig a little bit. But I'm liking the color. I kind of was like, should I go for like a complete black? But I was like, no. You know, let's get a little highlight in there. I do have another hair tool I'm loving right there, which I bought on TikTok as well. It was also my TikTok shop, so you can check that out as well. Maybe I'll come on and demo that for you guys another time. Okay, probably can't see that, but it's blinking. It says off, so let's turn her on. I'm literally doing this with you guys on camera. I haven't played around with this at all, so I hope I get it right. Ooh, she just turned blue. She just lit up. Did y'all see her? Just lit up. Beautiful. You see the light right there behind that? It's getting warm. I can feel that getting warm a little bit. But you're supposed to be able to straighten your hair with this, as well as I think even use it to curl. So I'm excited to see. I probably should have tried this before I came on here to do this. I probably should have tried this first, but it is fine. Let's play, honey. Let's play. Thank you to ladies who joined me in my last YouTube live. Okay. Again, I'm not a hair guru, so this this might not be perfect, but that actually came out very nice. And that's 410. That's high. So it does have settings, so I can probably bring that down. I don't know if I want that to be that high. So let's bring it down to maybe 200. It looks like 250 is the lowest it'll let me go down to. So I just took it down from that 400 and whatever, because that seemed pretty hot. I don't think Yaki I don't think this hair needs it to be that hot, girl. We don't want to burn. We do not want to smell like toasted chicken, okay? Ooh, baby, look at that. She's looking cute. She looking cute. Hello, mommy. Hello, mamacita. Yes, baby. Okay. Okay. I'm loving this tool. I cannot wait to share more about it on TikTok. So if you want something, oops. Something that's going to straighten your hair. And this goes all the way to 400 degrees. I think it's 410 or something like that. That's a good hit setting. And it looks like the lowest is 250. 250. Again, like I said, if I haven't already, I'll put the specs of this tool on the screen, and I will probably see if I can share a link to my TikTok profile in the description. Y'all go follow your girl and support the TikTok shop, okay? I'm having a lot of fun over there. It's a great community. I'm learning a lot from a lot of the fantastic men and women on there. It's very nice. It's very nice. Okay, are we loving this though? Did I make a good choice? I feel like Whitney. Y'all know that Whitney loved bobs, right? Whitney was a bob girl. Like, and when she had her bob, I mean Whitney Houston, when she would rock a bob, she'd be all kind of, you know, feeling good. And you know, moving that hair. I like this. I like this Luvme. This is very nice. You know, the hair moves. It's a Yaki, but you know, it's got life, girl. She got life, girl. She got life. Okay. I'm not gonna worry about. All right, here we go. Let's see how we can do this bang over here. Okay, queens. Are we loving? Are we loving? What are your thoughts? This is a super cute wig for, you know, somebody who wants something quick and easy to put on, throw on and go. Great for, you know, an event, or just great for work. I love this. I love this tool. I'm loving this. Yeah, I can't wait to play with this more. But I guess you can. Let me see. Is that hot? Oh, she doesn't feel hot there. Okay. Listen, that was a time in my life in college. I love bangs, honey. Bangs and me were 5 and 6, girl. That's why I picked this one out. So thank you to Luvme Hair for this fantastic gift. And I love her. Totally love her. What you think? Are we feeling it? Are we loving it? Are you going to add to cart? Yes, I'm going to put my link. It's going to be there. Click the link, sign up, okay? Snatch the wig, okay? Honey, she got movement, baby. She got movement. So let me do my neck like Whitney. Get you one, okay? And it comes in black if you don't want the blonde highlights. I just thought the blonde highlights you know, made it just have some more pizzazz, as we can see. Okay, and the hair moves, baby. All right, queens, that is it. If you love this, please click the link and, you know, register with my link for Luvme Hair. Go shopping. Make sure you sign up. Make sure you get on the app because they reward you with lots of great points. You get birthday points. You get points for, you know, signing up with your number. There's all kind of perks you get over there. Okay, and they're constantly sharing, you know, gift cards and deals and things. There's always something going on over there. Trust me. So you can totally find, you know, your style. If this is not your style, you can find your style. Okay, they just came out with their all day comfort line and all that. I don't have that yet. I don't know. We'll see if I get that at some point, but they had lots to offer. So whether you like blonde, you like curly, you like straight, you like bang, if you're the lady who like the short, they got everything for you. So there's no reason not to, you know what I mean? Get your fabulosity on. All right, queens, thank you for joining me today. Thank you, Luvme Hair, for my gifts. Go support the brand, guys. Check out my link, shop, and please go check out my TikTok shop and snag this fantastic glam straightener. Okay, and I think it doubles as a curler. If you know what you're doing, you know how to curl with this too as well. So yeah, check it out, check it out. So thank you guys for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Okay, when you comment, like, subscribe, or share, you know, it supports the channel and it helps, you know, to push the channel out so that, you know, we can continue to grow. All right, thank you, queens, and I'll see you in the next one.